Okay, practice now 6, page 16, number 1. This one is about direct proportional. And question number 2 is not taken from the textbook. Okay, so we will discuss first with the question number 1. On the practice now 6, page 16, number 1, it says that if y is directly proportional. Now, just remember that directly proportional, what is the formula for directly proportional? It will be k is k come from y divided by x, where the y is the dependent variable, the x will be independent variable. Now, if you look on the question here, okay, the y depend on the x square. Okay, so basically the k will come from the y, which is this one is the dependent, divided by the x square, because, well, the question says that y is directly proportional to the x square. Now, it says that the y is 18, so I will write y is 18 there, and then when the x is equal to 3, so you know the 3 should be square, so 3 square there. So 18 divided by 9 is 2. Now, if you already know the value of k, then we can make the equation for this sentence. Okay. Now, if you look on this one, okay, k is equal to yx, then you can like write it in a different form, so that one become like an equation. So I would say like y is equal to kx. The y here is the dependent. Okay, that one, the value of this one will depend on x independent value or independent variable multiplied by something, which is that one is a k. So the equation itself will be 2x, k is equal to 2, right? So replace it 2x. So it means the independent value multiplied by 2, that one will be y, when y is directly proportional to x. Oh, I'm sorry, the question is x squared, so this one should be x squared, guys. Okay, so this one is the equation, guys. Okay, so we just try 3 times 3 squared, right? 9 times 2, 18. Okay, correct. Now that's the equation. Now, value of y when x is equal to 5. Well, this question comes from this number, right? So you need to find the value of y when x is equal to 5. Okay, if the y is directly proportional to x squared, which is this word, okay, it's represented by this equation. So to find the value of y here when x is 5, then you just need to replace the x by 5. So you just write it like y is equal to 2, 5 square, and this one become 2 times 25, so it means the y is 50. That's for this one. And then the next one is if value of x when y is 32. So again, this question refer to this equation, right? If y is directly proportional to x squared, which is, this is the equation. So I will write it, y is equal to 2x squared, and then value of x when y is 32. So 32 will replace the y here, or 32 equal to 2x squared. Okay, x squared will be 32 divided by 2, right? So that one will be 16 equal x squared. So it means x will be equal to, well, 4, because we are not being asked to find the value of x squared, but we are being asked to find the x, and this one is x squared. Now, how to make x squared become x is by square root of this. If you square root the right side, it means you also need to square root the left side. So that's why the result will be x is equal to 4. Okay, with writing here, it should be x is equal to 4, right? Okay, so that's the first example for directly proportional. Now, the second one, if d is directly proportional to e squared and d is equal to 16 when e is equal to 2. Okay, again, this one is a directly proportional. Okay, you just need to remember, for directly proportional, to find the k, Okay, you need to divide y divided by x, where the y is the dependent variable, the x will be the independent variable. Now, if you look on this statement, it means the value of d will depend on the value of e squared. So it means this one will be independent and this one will be dependent. So it means, again, y here is the dependent one. So it will be d divided by the independent one. X is the independent one. This one is the independent one. E squared. Now, and d is 16. So d is 16. E squared, so 2 to the power of 2, this one will be 16 divided by 4, that one will be 4. Oh, the k is 4. Now, I need to make the equation. Well, from this formula, we can write the equation for the directly proportional, which is the d is the result of the calculation of the equation. So I need to put it like the d first. And d come from where? Well, look on this one. D come from what? K times e squared. So I will write k times e squared, where the k is 4, and then I times it e squared, and then that one will be the result of d. And this one is the equation of this question. Now, we just check it first whether this one is correct. So e is equal to 2. 2 square is 4, 4 times 4 is 16, d is 16. So this equation correct. Now, value of d when e is equal to 5. Well, this question refers to this statement, right? And this statement has an equation. Where is the equation? This one. So we will use this one to find the value of d when e is equal to 5. So I will rewrite the equation there for e to the power of 2 there. And then when e is equal to 5, so I will write 4, 5 being squared. So this one will be 4 times 25, and the result will be 100. So the value of d when e is equal to 5 will be 100. Thank you.